So, our brother Peter Meye has been going through some health issues, and I wanted to send out my well wishes and prayers to him as he's going through his time of trial. He's having heart issues, and that's not good. Hopefully, he gets the surgery that is necessary to keep him going, because it's not good when you have such kind of emergency, because it is an emergency health issue when it comes to the heart. So my prayers are for Peter and his time right now, and let us all just come together as the body of Christ and pray for a brother, because he needs it right now. Also, I wanted to show you our Alberta winter, because it's here. And I'll show you right here at my front window. As you can see, it's just like, yeah. It's one season that I'm not too keen on, is winter. And of course in Alberta it arrives pretty quickly. There's only a couple centimeters, but in some places it got pretty bad. And the roads get bad. That's the issue with me, because I do a lot of driving and I don't like the roads this time of year. But out back as well. Let's just open the door here and see. Just pretty crazy. But at least I don't have a lot to shovel. So I wanted to put up a video and just share a little bit, and just send out the prayers to our brother Peter Meye. Get better, brother, and do the right thing and get the surgery that is necessary. Grace and peace.